Welcome to EnglishSpeakingCourse.com. Today's topic is Mom and Son Discussing Oral Hygiene.
Listen, read, and then repeat.
Hey, did you brush? No, I don't want to. Oh dear, what happened to you? I'm not feeling well. Okay, I understand, but what if you feel better after that? How? Brushing teeth means cleaning your mouth, and this action will freshen you up. But why do I need to brush every day? Oral hygiene, if not maintained, makes you sick. Therefore, you must brush regularly. But I already brushed last night. Thereafter, I didn't eat anything. For good oral health, you must brush twice a day, once in the morning and then at bedtime. What if I don't? Brushing can help prevent gum disease, tooth decay, and bad breath. You mean if I brush regularly, I will never have any dental issues? Only brushing can keep you away from dental problems. What does that mean? With regular brushing, you need to floss, use mouthwash, avoid sugar-loaded desserts, sugary soda drinks, and maintain a balanced diet. My. It's so much to remember and follow, Mom. Yes, it is. But with practice, it becomes a natural habit. What is a balanced diet? I've heard this from my science teacher, but did not understand quite well. A balanced diet means eating all types of healthy food items on a regular basis as a part of your daily meals like breakfast, lunch, snacks, and dinner. And which are these healthy food items? There are many, such as milk products, carbohydrates, nuts, seeds, fruits, leafy vegetables, colorful vegetables, raw salad vegetables, roots, cereals, etc. Oh, and having all this means having a balanced diet, correct? You got it. Awesome. Now onwards, I will never skip brushing teeth. Remember, taking care of your oral hygiene will allow you to enjoy the delicacies for the rest of your life. Which means lots of chocolates and ice creams too.
Did you like my video? If yes, then please follow these steps in an order. First, hit the subscribe button. Once it grays out, you will notice a bell icon show up next to it. Hit this bell icon too, so that you always get all the latest updates from this channel in your email. And then like and share my videos within your network.